Hey everybody, this is Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to part 2 of my Christmas plant haul for 2018. And I knew this was gonna happen because I had purchased my Christmas dream plants earlier in the month that I was going to end up buying more plants in the middle of the month, and here we are, fast forward middle of December, and my grandma and I hit up 3 plant nurseries yesterday. And I wanted to go ahead and do 3 separate plant hauls because we invested a lot of time and money in each of the nurseries. If you guys are interested in seeing the come with me, hang out with us for these 3 locations, it'll be uploaded prior to this haul video. I didn't go so much into detail on what exactly was there because I already featured these locations on my channel, but you get a glimpse and see what they had in stock and get to experience what it's like shopping with my grandma. So I'm going to go ahead and just talk about all of the things we got in the Chinatown location, which is the 3rd location that we hit up. And I'm going backwards because there's a lot of babies that we're going to be gifting in this Chinatown haul that I'm going to probably gift off. I already started doing it today over the next week. So I want to just get them out on the channel and then I'm going to be giving them away. Thumbs up the video if you guys enjoy plant hauls. The sun's going down. It's about a little after 4 p.m. I just wrapped up my work day here on a Sunday. I taught 4 group classes in the morning, a special event class, and then 2 private. So it definitely was like a long day, 8 to 3:30 p.m. Never had such a long Sunday work day here in Los Angeles. But I'm happy that I'm able to come home before the sun goes down, and we're going to talk about everything one at a time. Holiday season here and the new year upon us. It's the perfect time of the year to purchase and give out lucky bamboo to family, friends, businesses, and just people in your life in general. It's good luck and it's just, I love it. It's such a nice present to give anybody, whether you're a plant person or not. So I went down to Chinatown, hit up my favorite Chinatown plant shop, and purchased 20 of them. I'm gonna pull out 10 of them so you can see. The other 10 is in the house. My grandma's currently working on it, and I'll show you how I'm styling them. Lucky bamboos are a perfect gift for someone who is into plants and not into plants because they're very low maintenance. Pretty much don't have to do anything to them. So here is what they look like, and it is in a 2-tier. So I'll take one out so you can see what one looks like. So these are perfect for somebody who are into plants or not into plants because they're very low maintenance. I'm going to show you how I styled them. I got 20 of them, and here's what 10 looks like. So I have the same amount in the house. My grandma's currently working on them, and I'll show you how we're styling them. These are perfect to give out to family, friends, businesses, co-workers, clients. It's great. I love it a lot. It just represents good luck, prosperity, and it's perfect for the new year. So I have a bunch of these. The setup of the lucky bamboo that I chose to style it in. A clear bowl with rocks, and then with lucky bamboo you don't have to plant them in dirt. You just fill up the container with water and you're good to go. This can sit anywhere, coffee table, desk, in your kitchen. This is perfect to gift other people's with the new year coming. And I think this is a great Christmas present for someone who's into plants or not into plants. Personally, for me, I'm a plant person, so I'm always going to find the right plant. Whether you're into plants or not, you'll probably get a plant. So all of my clients that are taking Pilates with me are getting one of these, and I just absolutely love them. So again, we got 20 of these, and my grandma is doing the DIY little plant stand for it. I absolutely love it. So I am so glad that I was able to get these to gift them out to people this year. With the lucky bamboo, there's options. You can do small ones like the ones I'm gifting out, or you can go bigger depending on who you're gifting to. They come in all different shapes and sizes. This particular one is going to be gifted to our new restaurant. So we are opening a 2nd pizza shop. We're closing down our original one, and we bought a bigger location that's double the size, and we're going to be serving and actually having like a restaurant pizza shop. With our new business, I wanted to go ahead and surprise my mom and her husband with this amazing Singapore bamboo. So this particular bamboo is a lot more expensive than the all green one, and I love the way how they have it styled here. And this is going to be perfect to have at the front counter of the restaurant. So you see this a lot in different restaurants and businesses, especially in Hawaii. It's just good luck. So I wanted to go ahead and gift this to the new restaurant. Can't wait to see that. Grandma wanted to go ahead and gift me one for my place for the new year. So she got me a Singapore bamboo, and I absolutely love the lucky bamboo and how it's styled in this particular planter. It's the same planter that we are gifting to the restaurant but just a different little pattern. I'll have them side by side. What they look like side by side. Again, they come in all different heights, sizes, and patterns. And this is the Singapore bamboo. Here's the difference with the all green and the Singapore bamboo. These ones are a lot more expensive. So I have one for my home. So thank you, Grandma. I am really excited to have this on my coffee table. And these are low maintenance. You just make sure that there's water in it where the roots are going to be nice and wet in here. And then it just sits in here. Wanted 2 house plants for my place. She was really gravitated towards this guy here. So look at this beautiful ivy. I don't have any ivies in my home. They grow wild. My grandma wanted one, so I said, okay, fine. So if you see here, there's lots of growth here and throughout this plant. So she wanted it because she wanted to see another trailing plant on the shelf. So stay tuned. I don't know how we're gonna style this. For now, it's in a white nursery planter. Now, believe it or not, I don't know how to say this, but I try to not repurchase a plant after killing it more than 2 times, but my grandma wanted to give another try. The Alocasia, the African mask, and I love this plant. This is my 3rd time repurchasing this plant. The first one that I got, if you watch my channel, was this size, and I got it from Orchards, my local hardware store that got shut down. I was so excited to get that plant. And this plant is definitely part of my top 10 plants. It died for whatever reason. The stems got really soft, so I don't know if it just got overwatered. Then I repurchased the plant when I was with Catherine in a East Hollywood nursery. I got a smaller one. It was living in my bathroom, and now it's down to its last 3 leaves, and it's just light colored. I don't know what to do with it. So my grandma wanted to give me a 3rd one to try. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, guys. I'm so scared. I'm definitely gonna transplant it in a terracotta, which is so strange I say that because my small one that's not doing good is in a terracotta. There's a lot of new growth here. If you see right here, there's a leaf that's about to unfurl, and then another big guy here that's about to unfurl. But it's a stunning plant. This is definitely part of my top 10 plants. Thank you so much for repurchasing this plant for the 3rd time in my collection. I try to not do that, guys. Like the maidenhair, I tried twice. It didn't do good with me. I'm never gonna buy that plant again. And there's certain plants I'll try a 2nd time, but I would never repurchase a plant for the 3rd time, especially if this plant is super expensive. But my grandma wanted to try again, so here we are. 3rd time hopefully is a charm. I'll keep you guys posted on this Alocasia. I absolutely love this house plant, and so we'll see what happens in the upcoming month, especially with me traveling for Egypt. We'll see what happens. But I'm gonna wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed the Chinatown Christmas plant haul. I want to say thank you, Grandma, for my lucky bamboo and my house plants. I absolutely love them. And I hope this inspired you over the holiday season and the upcoming year. Maybe to give some lucky bamboo away as presents, whether it's to a plant person or not. These are very low maintenance. You just sit the ends in water and that's it. So I'm really excited to gift these away. I actually gave 2 away today to my clients, and they really were surprised and in love with the plants. So I just love giving plants, whether it is a lucky bamboo or a houseplant, cactus, or succulent. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Hit the subscribe button, the bell to be notified whenever I do an upload. I try to do daily uploads on this channel. I'm gonna wrap up the Chinatown Christmas plant haul here. Stay tuned for 2 more plant hauls because we did hit up 3 different nurseries yesterday in like all different locations. We went out to San Gabriel, which is like 45 minutes, 25 miles, 26 miles in traffic. Then we drove to West Hollywood, which is like another 45 minutes in traffic. And then we drove to Chinatown, which was like another 45 minutes in traffic. So we did all corners of Southern California. So stay tuned for my next plant haul. You can find more on my blog at ilovejewelyn.blogspot.com. Aloha from Santa Monica. Bye!